then why not make it again so that you can use that?
I don't have any paper anymore.
Just by words.
Yeah, but orally.
What are you doing?
Recording this?
Recording. Hey.
Wow!
Dalian nyo. My tongue is like a tiger searching for food.
may ano daw, tiger daw dito.
And
Searching
it's
for food.
12:45, almost 1.
So,
We've been walking throughout the school.
no, not throughout. We're still inside.
Throughout. Like all over the place.
Not all of the place.
Yeah.
God, I'm so amazed of your skills in English. Yeah. Bravo.
Amazing.
Amazing. Stop it.
It's natural.
You know you should video yourself because you're the one.
No, I don't wanna. I must remain hidden.
Then you're using the video wrong. It should be like this.
No.
The little rain.
Sige, paulanin na. Sa akin na to.
Huwag ka mag-record na.
I-upload ko nga eh. What happened?
After 3 weeks, this is what happens to person who don't go to school.
We just went to school.
Sad.
We got an idea.
Ay, hindi ko palaya sa'yo. Ay, yung ice cream na kuya.
Ano?
Huwag
Sino
naman kayo
magsi-seconds?
mag-ice cream
Ito
break.
thirds.
Huwag na kayo mag-ice cream break.
Ano?
Mami, hindi yan magkasya.
Eh, di ba wala naman page 3? Eh, di yun na lang.
Merong page 3. Di
Ano?
sabi ni Sue.
Eh, di leave it blank.
Ano na lang? Play a One Direction song so that she doesn't know it.
I wanna cry. Cry silent.
They'll cry. They'll cry. I'm gonna record you cry.
Crying while laughing. Upload mo ganyan. I wanna die if this doesn't.
Ha? Ano daw? Wala. Nakaganito lang. Pero nagpipicture naman kanina ako mag-click. Diba? Nire-record.
Ano nire-record?